design Odyssey 2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of picking open two bike locks. One's a dimple, one's obviously normal pin tumbler. Pick I'm going to be using for this is from the Clom range. It's a dimple rake, so I'm going to actually be raking these open. Works wonders. And the piece de resistance is this Corbeau moustache pick. Works absolute wonders. Reason for the video is we've had quite a few bike thefts. As you can see, thieves have not used a key or a pick, they've just chopped through the cables. So my advice and warning is get yourself a decent D-lock, hardened metal. And when I asked around, because it intrigued me how sort of teenagers etc secure the bikes, they can put them up against a railing etc, and they tend to put the D-lock around the front forks of the bike, and that's it. Problem is, when I explain to them that if they've got quick release, undo the front wheel, lift it up, wheel comes off, lock comes off, wheel back on, and the thief wheels away with the bike. So I did stress, you might think it'll scratch your frame, make sure it's secured. So it doesn't make a difference if you've got a little scratch here and there. Let's pop that to one side. So I've got getting these open. So use the Corbeau moustache. Beautiful, beautiful pick. That's just got it. A couple of swipes. Let's try the other one. It's the dimple. To pop that in that side. See, it's locked up. Just got that one, but the other half just fell on the floor. So like I say guys, if you are purchasing locks for your bike, make sure they are D-locks, make sure that they are actually placed in a decent position. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.